Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Grun School, Standard 6, subject Maths. We have completed quadrilaterals, right? Na? So, I think trapezium is also completed. Na? So, first of all, we see about this box. So, this box represent the characters of each quadrilateral. Okay. So, first of all, we read all the characters, then we read each quadrilateral is follow that or not, yes or not. Okay. So, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, all sides equal, opposite angles equal, diagonals equal or perpendicular. Okay. Next thing, parallelogram. So, in parallelogram, let's see. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Yes. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yes. All sides are equal. No. Only opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. Yes. Diagonals equal. No. Perpendicular. No. Then rectangle. What about rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel. Yes. Opposite sides are equal. Yes. All sides are equal. No. Opposite sides only are equal. All sides are not equal. Opposite angles are equal. Yes. Diagonals are equal. Yes. Diagonals perpendicular. Yes. Now we will see about the square. Opposite sides are parallel. Yes. Opposite sides are equal. Yes. All sides are equal. Yes. Opposite angles are equal. Yes. Diagonals are equal. Yes. Diagonals are perpendicular. Yes. Do you think what is the square? Square has all the character. That means all sides are equal. Then they are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. All angles are right angles. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular to each other. Now next thing, rhombus. Rhombus is in rhombus opposite sides are parallel. In rhombus opposite sides are equal. Yes. All sides are equal. Yes. Opposite angles are equal. Yes. In rhombus diagonals are equal. Yes. In rhombus diagonals are perpendicular. Yes. Okay. Now we will see about the trapezium. In trapezium opposite sides are parallel, so only one side is parallel. Okay. Equal? No. All sides are equal? No. Opposite angles are equal? No. Diagonals are equal? No. Diagonals are perpendicular? No. Only one side parallel. Okay. Fine. We will start our exercise 5.7. See, each angle of a rectangle is right angle. Yes, it is rectangle. In rectangle, all four angles are right angle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Yeah, opposite sides are equal in length. Not all sides, only opposite sides. The diagonals of square are perpendicular to one another. Yes, it is true. All sides of a rhombus are equal in length. True. All the sides of parallelogram are equal of length. False. The opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. False. Only one side is parallel. Okay. Now next question is give reason for the following. Let's see. A square can be thought as of a special rectangle. Yes, because see here. In rectangle all sides are 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree. It's okay. But opposite sides are equal. Right now, here in square opposite sides are equal also, parallel also, and all sides are equal. Not only opposite, all sides are equal and parallel. That's why it is a special. A rectangle can be thought as a special parallelogram. Yes, because in parallelograms all sides are parallel. In rectangle also they are parallel. But in rectangle all angles are right angle. It is not followed in parallelogram. Okay, that's why it is a special parallelogram. A square can be thought as special rhombus. Yes, because in rhombus all angles are not right angles, but all the characters of rhombus are followed by the square. That's why square is a special rhombus. Squares, rectangle, parallelograms are quadrilateral. Of course, because squares, rectangles, parallelogram has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertex. Okay. Then square is also parallelogram. Of course, because squares all sides are parallel. That's why it is a parallelogram. Understand completely quadrilaterals all? Okay. Now we will start our new topic, that is polygon. Okay. See here. Mm, here are the names of the polygons and diagrams there. Also write here the number of sides. Okay, we have provided with diagrams also. Fine. So let's see. Triangle. This is triangle. This is a diagram of a triangle. And how many sides triangle has? 3 sides. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. 4 sides of number of sides. Then pentagon. So pentagon how many sides? 5 sides. So 5 here. This is the diagram of pentagon. Hexagon. So hexagon has 6 sides and 6. See diagram. Okay. Then octagon. Okay, octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is diagram of octagon. Okay. Next thing. Okay, fine. These are the reasons given for the 5.7. We already studied about it. Okay. Then question 3. Okay, we have not considered question 3. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? Yes, we can identify the regular quadrilateral. Which one is? Definitely square, because its all sides are equal, all angles are equal. That's why square is a regular quadrilateral. Okay. We have missed this question, so I have repeated it. Now we are studying about these polygons. Okay, so you have to practice the diagrams and understand and remember the number of sides of each polygon. Okay. Next, exercise 5.8. Examine whether the following are the polygons if any among them is not, say why. So see the first diagram. It is made up of line segment, but it is a polygon? No. Why? Because it is not a closed figure. Okay. So we have to write here the figure is made up of line segment but not closed figure, so it is not a polygon. Get it? Next. The figure is made up of line. First of all, tell me, it is a closed figure? Yes. It is made up of line segment? Yes. So it is polygon. Get it? So two condition it has to be followed. Which one? So it should be closed figure and it should be made up of line segments. So see here, the figure is made up of line segments and it is a closed figure. So it is a polygon. Understand? Next. It is a closed figure? Yes, it is closed, but it is made up of line segment? No. So, though it is a closed figure but not made up of line segment, so it is not a polygon. Get it? Next.